This is an overview video of the Budgie boxer briefs. So you can see that even though it does have a branded waistband, it actually does not say Transthetics. I did want to be a bit more stealth with that. So yeah, the T-thetics really could be referenced to any sort of athletics wear. So it doesn't really give anyone away. Yeah, the products that this is designed to be used with is the Transthetics EasyP or EasyP Junior, as well as the Transthetics joystick. So you'll see that the way that this works is that on the inside it has a horizontal door, and on the outside a vertical door, which has a button. Now that button you can pretty much leave it open most of the time. Just makes the access a little bit easier, because basically what you're doing is with your Stand2P device, you go through this door and then out this door, which just keeps everything really straight and front on, making it really quite easy to use in conjunction with any STP. Now, the other thing that it's used for is the joystick. So that's what this loop is for. Again, you'll see that there's a really small little buttonhole that normally this loop would just sit inside of, so that it's actually hidden. There we go. So that just makes it more, you don't feel that loop, it's tucked away. But then when you are using it with the joystick, this loop comes out, and this loop goes around the neck of the Vibe of the joystick to keep everything in place. Now, it does also have piping on the legs, and that's just so that things do stay in place. One of the problems with boxer briefs, because of the legs, is that things tend to want to spill out of the legs. So really that's why we've got this piping, just to keep everything snug, and so that your STP is not going to fall out of your leg with these. But yeah, that's pretty much the primary points of functionality with the Budgie boxer brief. So yeah, just wanted to give you that quick little overview. Thanks guys, bye.